Viewers, if you are using Trade Forex and you want to know that how to trade Forex MT5 in Pocket Option, so this video is for you. So let's get started and welcome to the channel. If you're using Trade Forex directly inside Pocket Option, then you can trade currency pairs as CFDs using Pocket Option's built-in platform. MT5 is not required. For this, you just have to sign in to Pocket Option. For this, go to trading section and here choose Forex. Select the currency pair you want to trade, then choose your position, size, leverage, stop loss, and the take profit. Then tap buy or sell to start the trade. The next one is if you're using MT5 through another broker, Pocket Option does not support MT5, so you will need a broker that does. For this, create an account with a broker that offers MT5, for example, Exness, IC Markets, or FXTM. Then install MT5 on your phone or computer. After login, using the broker service login details, begin trading Forex with MT5's full charting and tools. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.